How to apply gradient mask effect between clips in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline. Drag the second video above the first video. Select the top video and increase position X value until the subject goes to the right of the screen. Now I have this butterfly to the right and this horse to the left. Select the top video and open up the color page. Right-click in the Nodes panel and select Add Alpha Output. Attach the blue end of the node to the blue alpha output. Now only the parts of this video that we mask will remain. From the Window tab, click on the Gradient Mask. By dragging the point, adjust its position. And by dragging the arrow, adjust its angle and softness to your liking. When you're happy with the mask, go back to the Edit page. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.